Myself, Mr. Mangilal, Assistant Professor in JCRC Foundation. Today we are going to introduce Electronics Devices Lab, and in this lab we will present on two-stage RC coupled amplifier. So the object of our experiment is plot frequency response of two-stage RC coupled amplifier and calculate its bandwidth. The course outcome we have to include in this experiment is understand the need and requirement to obtain frequency response from a transistor so that design of RF amplifiers and other high frequency amplifier is feasible. The apparatus required in these experiments are experiment kit, CRO, digital multimeter, CRO probes, patch cords and power supply. Introduction part of RC coupled amplifier is RC coupled coupling is most widely used method of coupling in multi-stage amplifier. In this case, the resistor R is the resistor connected at the collector terminal and the capacitor C is connected in between the amplifier and it flows DC voltage. Application of RC coupled amplifier is it is used in RF communication, optical fiber communication, public address system as a pre-amplifier. It is also used in controller circuits and its main application is in radio or television receiver as a small signal amplifier. This is the circuit diagram of RC coupled amplifier. In this diagram, we observe that there are two amplifiers. First, amplifier's output is connected through capacitor C2 with the input of second stage amplifier. And in this amplifier, we see that R1, R2 and RE are stabilization resistor and capacitor C4 is acting as a blocking capacitor and it is also known as bypass capacitor. So in this amplifier, we apply a very small input signal. Its value is almost 20 millivolt to 40 millivolt. And this signal we will get at the first transistor's output and it will be in the inverted form. Then this output will be forward through this capacitor at the second stage of the amplifier and finally we will get amplified output at the second terminal of the transistor. So this is the very important amplifier. Its main use is in public address system. It is frequency response curve of two-stage RC coupled amplifier. This frequency response curve plotted between frequency and voltage gain. In this diagram, to find AVM or maximum voltage gain by multiplying 0.7071 value with its maximum voltage GM or AM, and frequency will be calculated by F2 minus F1. Here F1 is lower cutoff frequency and F2 is high cutoff frequency. So now in this we will see that how we can calculate its bandwidth. So for bandwidth we have required lower frequency F1 and higher frequency F2. F1 and F2 we will calculate from frequency response curve, and after calculating this we can measure its bandwidth and it will be calculated by F2 minus F1. Now we will move in lab presentation, practical demonstration. In practical we will perform it on the breadboard or by experiment kit. In this experiment, two-stage RC coupled amplifier, we apply input voltage 20 millivolt to 40 millivolt. It is very small voltage because this experiment, this amplifier is known as voltage amplifier or a small signal amplifier. So this 20 millivolt to 40 millivolt input and its frequency is 1 kilohertz. This is our input signal. This signal we will set through function generator. Here we have already set 1 kilohertz frequency and 20 millivolt input. This we can see on CRO. Our input, it is 20 into 1. So this is 20 millivolt input voltage and its frequency is 1 kilohertz. This we have already set. Now this input will be applied in our experiments kits. This is our two-stage RC coupled amplifier. Here we will apply input signal and from output terminal we will get its output. It will amplify this input signal 20 millivolt to 40 millivolt. Our input is 20 millivolt and its frequency is 1 kilohertz. Now we will see its result. So this is our input signal and this I will apply here, positive terminal from positive and negative terminal from negative terminal, and this is our output terminal which is connected to CRO, and we will take output from this amplifier's output terminal. Circuit already connected, so now we will see output signal. So in CRO we are observing that this small amplitude has amplified by this amplifier, and to see it we have to change its range. So by keeping this knob in high range we can see its amplified output. So now it is almost 1 to 2.4. So output voltage will be 2.4 into 2 volt. It is our amplified output voltage. It is almost 4.8 volt, and we apply only 20 millivolt and we are getting 4.8 volt. So in this way this two-stage transistor coupled amplifier will amplify a small signal into high signal, and it is 4.8 volt. For taking its reading, if we want to draw its frequency response curve between frequency and voltage gain, for that we have to keep this signal into XY mode and varying its frequency from 0 hertz to maximum hertz. We can change, like we are changing frequency, we can set it at the ground, and here it is our frequency is 0. Now if I will vary frequency, so gradually it will vary and finally it will low. So what is happening in this graph? First, increasing voltage by increasing frequency, and so after some time it will be constant with frequency, and at high frequency it will decrease. So in this graph, this is our AVM, maximum voltage gain, and to find maximum FL and FH, we have to divide this value by under root 2. So we will get 2 points FL and FH, and we can calculate bandwidth, that is FH minus FL. This is our RC coupled amplifier. In this experiment we have seen how small signal amplify and how we can plot its frequency response curve.